What's up, everyone? I'm Mo from Wally, and let me give you a little disclaimer before the video starts. The following video is a wake dub created by using AI technology. It is not created for an actual voice actor. I know I'm supposed to be with Wally and cleaning up his dirty tracks right now. But anyway, enjoy the scene where Big Bird has Louise imagine what it's like to be pregnant, but Louise has Anger's voice and Big Bird has Fred Jones's voice. Oh, and one more thing before we start the video. Carl Thompson 269, please, I'm asking you this once and one time only. Do not tell anyone that Fred Jones is having Anger imagine what it's like to be pregnant, because if you do, then you will give me no choice but to come to your house, and I will take you to the Axiom and squirt water all over you. Just kidding, I wouldn't do that. I'm a nice robot, even though I get grumpy sometimes. Anyways, I better get back to cleaning Wally's tracks. Enjoy the video.
Listen, I can only read about it, you know. I can never really know what it's like to have a baby, because only women can have babies, you know?
Yeah, I know that, but could you imagine what it feels like? You could, couldn't
Well,
you?
yeah, you're right. I could imagine what it feels like to have a baby.
Relax. Louise!
Oh, Big Bird, don't bother me. I'm doing my breathing exercises.